There was once a soldier who had been in battle. He was running from the enemy to save his life. His side had lost badly. Most of his friends had been slain, and few remaining were now fugitives. The soldier running in the countryside. On the way, he discovered a cave. He doesn't know whether this cave will protect or not, though he went and hid within it with God hopefully. He knew that in a few hours' time the enemy would be there. He prayed to the Lord for protection. In a few minutes, a spider appeared and it started weaving a web on the entrance of the cave. The soldier was really disappointed. My Lord, I pray to you for my protection and you sent a spider. Is this your way of protecting me? However, the spider web was complete. Sure enough, in a few hours, the enemy soldier reached that cave's entrance. Even though they could not see him, he was able to hear their conversation. On that spot, one soldier said, "Maybe somebody is hiding inside." The other soldier said, "It is not possible to hide within it. There is a spider's web on the entrance. Nobody would be in there." Thinking that manner, the soldier proceeded from there. The soldier in the cave was really relieved. He said, "My Lord, thank you today for saving my life." Now he realized everything. So we need to understand one thing through it, that when God's blessings are upon us, a spider web becomes more secure than iron bars. But when God's blessings are not upon us, iron bars are more insecure than a spider's web. So everyone has some tough situation at some time in our life. If suppose you are feel like that I cannot do it, just pray Lord for a minute that maybe you will get the way to solve your problem. Apart from that, our own difficult situation, right now we all are living in fearness and depreciation and sinners life because of this world pandemic disease. So whatever you belong to your clan deities doesn't matter. Just pray Lord for a while to change our life as we want. We should remember one thing, that not a leaf moves without God's will. So let us act to please our Lord and have His blessings upon us, that we may always be secured by His grace and His protection.